Found it. Okay, so I'm just doing a little check-in. I'm gonna swing the camera around. So basically, empty boxes, that's some stuff in there that's got to go to the dump. Most of this stuff here has to go to the dump. This is all stuff that's going to be kept in here. That's some stuff that's got to go to the dump. All of this is basically going to get kept. And these couple of containers over here, I just need to go through this one, and then my kids got to go through that one, and then I'm left with like this storage area in here. Sorry about the lighting, but I'm pretty confident that most of this stuff, because I actually got to rebox those. Most of this stuff is in containers. I can just stack them all right up into here, because this is such a huge tall space. And then yeah, I'm just basically then left with like space for my car and the bikes and stuff. So yeah. Found it. My old DS. Oh my god, what game is in here? Oh, it was modded. Yes. I definitely want to see if it works. So throughout the cleaning, I would find coins. So I decided to get a jar, because you don't know what you're going to find. And that way it kind of keeps everything contained. So I'm just dropping coins in just whenever I found them. I'm really curious how much is actually in here now. Who's this little guy? Man, he can't even sit up. Oh, that's probably a Shopkin. So cute. Really old nail polish. I just check that out. Yep. Some more really old nail polish. I'm just finding Shopkins everywhere. Old earring. Wow, more Shopkins. These little guys. You can't see. Ooh. Constantly finding bags of yarn with like half finished projects. Like what?